I'll be taking a look at the Como Audio Solo speaker. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Solo speaker by Como Audio. It was sent out by the company for me to review. These speakers are beautifully made and combine a classic look with modern day features. They start at $299 and I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look at it. It comes in 4 different finishes: walnut, hickory, white, and black. It has a 1/2 inch thick MDF wood case and the exterior is made of furniture grade, real wood veneers, or a multi-layer piano gloss finish. And it has anodized aluminum front panel. It has many features and we'll go over them in a bit. It comes with a 2.8 inch display, a remote, or you can download an app for control, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and multiple input and outputs. It has multi-room options if you have more than one speaker, and you can listen throughout your home. Android and iOS app for control, and a physical remote. This is the remote that it comes with, handy when you just need to make some simple changes. The speaker is well built, and the wood finish is very nice. You have the volume, menu, and source knobs in the front. They have a nice feel and are not loose. And you also have the preset buttons on the top. The bottom has the rubber feet. This will give it some stability. The back has the antenna for the FM radio. And you can see the multiple options: headphones, line out, aux, optical in, and speaker settings. You can easily switch between sources. You have internet radio, Spotify, music player, FM radio, Bluetooth, aux in, and optical. It has 6 presets on the top and you can recall regardless of the source. Bluetooth pairing is quick and easy, along with Wi-Fi setup. It's pretty standard. You just find your network and enter your credentials. Como Audio Solo. The sound is great and it can fill a decent sized room. It doesn't have that hard thumping bass, but the audio is pleasing to the ears, and it has a good balance. This system is packed with features and brings a classic look with modern day. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.